Good afternoon, sir. Hello, Ardries Imhadi. Welcome back, Ardries. Please tell me, how can I help you?
I have a question.
What's your question is, Ardries?
Tell me about the weather of Lahore.
Temperature 14 degrees Celsius. Conditions partly cloudy. Relative humidity 63%. Dew point 7 degrees Celsius. Wind speed 3 m/s. 34 minutes ago.
Open Google.
Search for Google.
What's new in music? Close this tab.
Okay, sir.
Open YouTube.
Command for YouTube search.
Songs. Close this tab.
Okay, sir.
Play music. What do you say about love?
It is seventh sense that destroy all other senses.